Are you looking for the best inexpensive sewing machines? In this video we will look at some of the best inexpensive sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Brother CS6000i Sewing Machine. This sewing machine has a really interesting feature that makes it one of the best choices for the sewists as well as for the others. With 60 built-in stitches, it offers you a handful of choices to select the best stitch pattern for your sewing project. All the stitch patterns are displayed on the front side of the sewing machine to choose one easily. The best part of this sewing machine is, it can be used to make quilts as well. The beginner quilters, as well as experts, would find Brother CS6000i performing well with thick fabric too. The detachable table is very helpful as you can attach the table when you work with a large project and detach whenever you need to store it. Brother CS6000i comes with other features such as built-in free arms, which is very useful for making collars, cuffs and sleeves of your project, speed slider that helps you control how fast, slow you want to sew. The sewing machine comes with all the necessary accessories with bonus accessories such as hardcover, walking foot, etc. At number 2. Singer 7258 Computerized Sewing Machine. Singer 7258 is Singer brand's top-selling sewing machine, just like Brother CS6000i for Brother Company. This award-winning sewing machine can do everything you need to do with regard to stitching. Singer 7258 is very much popular among beginners as well as expert sewists. It is a computerized sewing machine and automates many tasks that make it a perfect choice for people. This feature-rich sewing machine comes with 100 built-in stitches, which is more than enough needed in our day-to-day life. These 100 built-in stitches include 78 decorative stitches, 9 basic, 8 stretch and 7 styles of a one-step buttonhole. The screen on the front shows the stitch pattern you have currently selected that can be changed with the push of a button. It also shows the pre-selected stitching speed that can be adjusted as per the preference with the push of a button. The speed can be set as per the preference with the help of a lever. Singer 7258 is good for quilting needs as well. It comes with programmable needle up-down that allows you to choose a needle position when it stops. At number 3. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. For the people who are looking for an inexpensive mechanical sewing machine with all basic features necessary in our day-to-day life, it wouldn't require you to spend much money to get this sewing machine. It comes with 27 built-in stitches, which are good for the money you are going to spend on a sewing machine. The 27 built-in stitches consist of the decorative, zigzag, hem and stretch stitches for making your project look beautiful and interesting. It comes with a one-step auto-size buttonholer for making buttonholes. The design of this sewing machine is very beautiful, that gives you premium look when you place it on the table. With the beautiful graphics on the front, it looks very nice. It comes with 6 sewing feet for blind, hem, zipper, zigzag, buttonhole, etc. The sewing machine has built-in easy needle threader and automatic bobbin winding for the beginners. It also comes with built-in free arms for making sleeves, cuffs, and collars. The instructional DVD explains everything about the sewing machine, how to set up and start sewing. The stitch selection can be made through the dial given on the front side. Just rotate the dial clockwise or anti-clockwise to make the right stitch selection. The quick setup jam-resistant top drop-in bobbin system lets you ensure bobbin is placed right. It comes with 25 years of limited warranty with free lifetime technical support. At number 4. Singer Sewing 4432. If you are looking for a heavy-duty yet inexpensive sewing machine, look nowhere else and grab Singer 4432. This heavy-duty sewing machine has a metallic body that meant for a longer duration. Singer 4432 sewing machine is capable to stitch with a speed of 1100 stitches per minute, which is very high. This sewing machine is an ideal choice for the sewists who are expecting heavy use, such as in a factory or industry. However, it is not a bad choice for home use as well. Singer 4432 comes with 32 built-in stitches that include 18 styles of decorative stitches, 7 stretches, 6 basic and 1 automatic buttonhole. With these 18 decorative stitches, you can take crafting skills to the next level and make some cool stitches for your project. It also comes with features such as automatic needle threader, free arms for cuffs and sleeves, and adjustable presser foot. The 25 years of limited warranty ensures you get the best product. The accessories included are a screwdriver, all necessary presser feet, needle pack, bobbins, soft-sided dust cover, sewing foot, etc. At number 5. Brother XR3774. This machine comes with 37 unique built-in stitches, including a great selection of decorative stitches. Also included in the package are 8 sewing feet, with buttonhole, zipper, zigzag, blind stitch, button sewing, narrow hemmer, walking and quilting feet. It also has a top-load bobbin, which is way easier to handle than the other type of bobbin loading mechanisms. I've used machines with both the mechanisms, and by far my favorite are the ones with top-load bobbin. I think it will make a perfect sewing machine for the very beginner. Also, the price is quite affordable considering all the different type of stitches that are included. My machine does not include all these stitches, yet I paid way more for it than the price of this machine. This machine was reviewed by 215 Amazon users and 83% of them gave the machine 5 stars, which shows it's totally worth buying. The Brother XR3774 is perfect for a wide range of everyday sewing and quilting projects, and users from beginners to advanced.